Right then, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. A late Beetle. There she is, look. Drove in earlier on today. Sounds lovely. Starts on the key. Immobiliser fitted on it. And as I say, starts on the button. Sounds real sweet. Drove into the auction. The ding on the back wing there, look. Other than that, this side looks really good. Good round the back. And again, nice and smart down this side. If you're being really, really picky, paint the wheels. There you are. Iconic car for you there. Good long-legged, drive well, ride well. The poor man's Porsche, some would say. So, there you go. Nice, smart, bright-looking Beetle for you. Few stone chips, bits and pieces on the front. Nothing much to worry about. Wheels, as I say, if you're being really picky, wheels want a coat of silver. Interior, nice and smart and tidy. Sounds real sweet. What we got? 37,000 on there. Headlining good. Back seat, etc. good. There we are. Dashboard good. CD player. Door shut nice. There we go. Nothing untoward in there. Oh. And even the bonnet's locked. What we got? The early ones had a lever in here, didn't they? Maybe not in these ones. Right, leave it with me. We'll take a photograph. If that hasn't just unlocked it, we'll have a photograph under there for you. Yeah, I'll get it photographed. Come down, take a closer look.